They like, Kato, why you do that?
I fuck up that second and go get it back. Some shit I was taught as a young.
For real.
My little bitch a brat. I told her relax. I'm too busy chasing his money. My niggas some apes. They strung with them drakes. Just know we grew up in the dungeon. My nigga ain't Houdini. They callin' it magic. The way I turn nothing to something.
Yo, it's your boy Big Rambo, the OG Rambo, and you watching Rambo Forex Psychology. So today, we got a breakdown. The first breakdown of this channel. We got a psychology breakdown of trades that I took last week. So last week was, NFP week for February, and only traded 2 days after the week. I didn't trade Monday. Monday did not feel like it was a good day. Like, I don't know why. I just can't explain it. Monday did not feel like a good day for me. Like, I came back from vacation and I guess my mind wasn't in Forex. So I was like, I'm not gonna trade. Tuesday we traded, took some wins, and that played out for me very well. Wednesday I didn't trade. Didn't feel like Wednesday was a good day. Wednesday is always choppy to me. Thursday, I did take a trade, but it was during London session. London session, excuse me. Yeah, I took it during London session, and I didn't take it on my funded account, my challenge account. I took it on my live account. I'm gonna get to the charts and let's go. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you like these breakdown videos, because I'm definitely want to start doing more for you guys, just to show you my thought process behind the scenes and stuff. I'm sorry if I keep looking over here. I am in a trade right now. I am in a GBP USD trade right now, and it is going in my favor. So let's jump over to the charts. All right, we're at the charts. I am in this trade currently right now on this GBP USD trade. I've been taking, I had 3 positions open, and I've been taking positions here and there. I've been closing half positions and couple positions. I'm currently up 2,200 right now in this trade, so it's going pretty well. I have a bias that it will get back up to here from where it made the double top and major drop. So yeah, I do see price getting back up to here. I have my stop loss at break even right now, and I'm probably just gonna let it run. I'm probably, matter of fact, I'm gonna do it live. I'm gonna put an alert right here, and I want to edit this alert to go off and let me know liquidity was taken out at 135550. So I do want the alert right here that liquidity was taken out, because you gotta look at it, guys. Money is just sitting right here. Money is just sitting here. So buyers are going to push this out. So I will get an alert when this happens, and then I will check from there whether I move my stop loss up or just close the position if I see that it rejects it. So let's get into the trades from last week. I'll show you the losses and the wins. We took only, I think, 1 loss, and the rest were actually good wins. So this trade right here, this trade took forever, and I eventually got stopped out. So my psychology behind this trade specifically, seen the demand right here, met demand, we came back in. Once that happened, I still gave it a chance, because in my mind, it barely came outside the box, and you could have said it took this demand. So when that happened, I did take the buy, and as you see, it didn't play out well for me. So what I noticed with the strategy that I use when this happens, as far as consolidation, when you're in a trade, you're more prone to being stopped out. That's you're more prone to losing that trade. So in my mind, I knew it was a losing trade. I knew this was a losing trade. And you just like, okay, so how can you readjust from that? And my psychology behind this was brush it off, take the next trade. We had important news coming out. From the GBP side. So this trade didn't play out. I gave it 110% to win, and it lost. I think I got stopped out somewhere around here. I just had it marked up this big for reasons to come back to it. So that was that loss. This trade right here was actually a good trade. It was actually a real good trade, and I liked it. So what we had right here was I'll show you guys. We had a support being held. We had a little support being held right here. And if you look to the right, it held it again. So I seen this. We couldn't close below this. So once we got right here, now we're looking for the break of candles. Came down, closed above, came right here. Oh wow! I'm sorry guys, that trade is actually doing really good right now. And you got in on the break of this candle right here. Well, the break of this candle, excuse me. You got in on the break of this candle. Let me show you guys. We got in on the break of this candle right here. This green candle. We got in on the break of that. And then we held it for the 1-to-1. I only took the 1-to-1 because it was in a little range, as you can see. It came back to this. So I didn't want to play with it. It came up, came down. And with ranges, you could trade ranges. You trade ranges twice. You trade it up and you trade it down. You trade it from point B to C and C to D. Only times you trade a range. So my psychology behind this trade was I didn't want to risk any more money than I already, had going because I knew it was in the range. So with me knowing it was in the range, I didn't want to risk it, so I didn't do it. Let's go to the next one. Oh, I did take a GBP AUD trade. This worked out on a Tuesday too. Let's see if I can find this trade. Right here. So this trade played out in my favor. I took the buy. I took the impulse buy right here, and it passed. So in my mind, I seen that we made, kind of a W. Didn't really get back to right here. But looking at it, I knew GBP AUD was very bullish. And AUD had news come out which sunk the Aussie dollar. So once I seen it play right here and come back, I just took a gamble. I took a gamble on an impulse entry. I think I was in for sales at first. But what do? We don't react. We don't predict the market. We react to it. So once I seen the impulse candle break this, I immediately jumped in and it shot up. Zero drawdown on this trade. TP was hit fairly quickly because this is the 5 minutes, so 10 minutes max, and this trade was already hit. Excuse me. What else could I say about this trade? The only thought process I had that I was, my emotions were rising in this trade because I was being risky. I had supply drawn up that if supply actually hit it, that I was gonna get out. My initial, I was watching this, so I wanted to see if it was gonna tap into this supply. I seen it blow through this one, so I said, okay, we'll take profits right here. As you see, this is why I took profits. It never blew past. It respected this supply. We respected this supply. If you see, we respected this supply. So you take this one off because it was invalid. I see I had it drawn up right there for I was showing one of my friends. And now you get the sale. You could have caught this sale down. I was happy with the profits I made right here. I made like $4,000 on this trade. So my psychology was great. I didn't feel like I needed to, enter more positions and etc. Which you would have once it came down, you technically would have got a position right here because it did break that candle. So then you would have got a position right here. You would have had your little scare moment because it did go up, putting you in drawdown for it quite a bit. And then you got the drop, and you could have caught 60 pips on GA. So, GA is a good pair. GA actually follows supply and demand very well. And so that trade worked out in my favor. My psychology behind that was I was being very, very risky, and I do not recommend a trade like that. It's just that I've seen it so much, and I know when an impulse move is happening, I jumped in it. Like I didn't even think about it. I just jumped in it. I was robotic. I knew I was being risky, and it could have went very, very bad for me. Definitely could have went very, very bad for me. So let's go to the GU trade. See this, guys? I'm currently up from entry. I've been up 21 pips. I'm currently floating at about 16 pips profit. Up $2,200. I might close this other half position I got and just let my one position run. I'm really debating because I really like this trade and I really think that GU is on the buy. I really think GU is bullish, so I might hold this. Let's go to this trade. This trade happened during Monday. So let me tell you guys my thought process behind this trade. Only reason that I took this trade for one, that I was up because I was, searching stuff, reading and studying Forex. Studying the charts, and I was on the FaceTime call with one of my Forex buddies, and we're playing the game. We're just talking, charting, and I said, man, let's look at the charts right quick. So when I got to the charts, I seen that GU was selling. I knew NFP was coming, and I knew, reading fundamentals, that the dollar would skyrocket. The dollar was supposed to be good because of the earnings coming out from Amazon and I think Nike and some other companies. I knew the dollar had a good chance of being very good. So once I seen this supply right here. Seen the supply. So I say, this is like a good trade. But I didn't want to risk it because I don't trade London sessions. So I didn't want to take the trade on my funded account. So I said, let me just take it on my live account. My real live account. It's a small account. It's not very big at all. I think I only had like maybe, because I just threw some money in there because, what did I throw money in there for? I'm sorry. I'm so confused. I just threw money. I just had like maybe like $30 in there. So I took the trade on a 2-cent lot just to take it. And look, worked out in my favor. I set my stop on this trade. I set the TP and I closed the charts because I said, you know what, we're in this trade. Let's just see what play out. I knew that I actually didn't set a TP, but I knew where my TP was. So when I woke up, the chart was this is why I mess up a lot. The chart, when I did wake up, I was literally maybe right here in profit. So I doubled that account by 100%. It was crazy. On a 2-cent lot, I doubled the count. And I was just like, holy shit, this is crazy. And then I seen this, and I was about to get in, but it's NFP, so I don't trade NFP. And I was going to get in about this double top right here. I was definitely going to get in. I seen the rejection, and I seen this, but I just don't trade NFP, guys. So, because NFP news is very, very dangerous, which, in case, I would have won this trade. I would have entered right here on the break of this candle. Stops would have been above right here, so I'm only risking about 5 pips. And we could have caught, literally, 70 pips or so. 70 pips would have been caught in that trade, but I don't trade NFP. That's just my psychology behind it. I don't have a good history with NFP, so I don't trade it. That was the last trade I took, and that was on the live, wasn't on the funded. And Monday we're in these trades. I have taken 2 losses today with this fake out right here. Like, it's just been crazy. This fake out, and I finally caught the bottom of this move. And yeah, we're gonna ride it up. We're gonna ride it up. I want this alert to get hit and let me know that liquidity was taken down. Then I'll adjust from here. So, excuse me. So yeah, that was my breakdown behind that video. My psychology was to stay robotic. You have to stay robotic, but like I said before, we're human. We have emotions, and sometimes we're gonna feel a certain way about a trade. Like, in my heart, I knew that GA trade would work out, even though I was being risky. I've seen it so many times already. Like, when I see an impulse and I know I can jump in on it, I'll take it. I'll take it just like that. I won't even think twice. So I did take it, and it worked out. Did lose one GU trade last week, and every other trade won. So the wins are speaking for themselves. I took 2 losses today. I'll come back and adjust to that. I did take a win, and right now I'm sitting about $600 away from break even today, and I'm comfortable. I'm really comfortable. So we'll just see how it goes. I do appreciate every one of you guys for tuning into the videos. I will be making more videos. I think I have one more video to record today, and I'm gonna edit it and get it out for you guys. I really want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and to just rock out with me, man, because it's gonna be a great journey, a great experience. I want to grow this channel. I want to be here for you guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you guys to comment suggestions that you guys want to see or want me to talk about relating to your psychology behind things, and let's just work from there. So that's all I got, man. Peace, y'all.